Good evening, all of you. This is Devashish Panda from the National Institute of Science and Technology and doing their summer internship in IIT Kanpur SARS under the guidance of Dr. Santosh Kumar Misra. And my topic is the design of biosensing chip for assessing post-COVID neurological complication. So, as we all know, the SARS-CoV pandemic continue. Report have determined neurological sequel following COVID-19 recovering patient with the plasma cytokine IL-4 in all COVID-19 patients. Volunteer with self-reported neurological problem has a positive correlation with the cytokine level. For the time, there will be no such low-cost device detection of post-COVID complication, and the MRI, CT, and ELISA will be performed. That will be high cost and time consuming. The objective of the project is to propose a biosensor design based on the literature report which utilize polymer carbon composite and based material. Here graphene can be used as a carbon nanomaterial for the acting of interacting surface. So this is the hypothesis. We are proposing a biosensor on the sensor. The cytokine binding domain IL-6 and IL-10 is isolated and embedded in the graphene polymer surface. So when the blood serum has come contact with the cytokine binding site, there will be some interaction which will be change the conductivity of the surface. Amperometric analysis will be used to detect the level of specific cytokine. So cytokine level in the post-COVID, as you can see in the left side of the slide, INF gamma and IL beta and IL-6 and IL-10 will be significantly increased. So this is the key point and the result. For the surface characterization of the fabricated device, we will be using scanning electron microscope, and initially Raman spectroscopy of graphene layer will be taken, then polymer will be added on the pattern of the graphene layer. Determine the change in intensity of Raman binding domain of IL-6 and IL-10 will be fixed on the polymer graphene surface. When the serum will be added on the surface sensor, there will be interaction between IL-6 and IL-10 present in the blood sample, which will also bring some change in the Raman spectra. An amperometric analysis will be performed by taking the different concentration of ILs at a constant voltage. The concentration of unknown IL will be determined by plotting the standard curve. So the study provided an idea to determine the level of IL-6 from the biosensor approach, and the biosensor will be capable to provide both qualitative and quantitative data for the detection of neurological disorder as a late complication of COVID-19 infection. Thank you.